So these are my two Chicago Hearty fig trees. Just transplanted them up to these 5-gallon buckets last night from the slightly smaller large pots I had them in. And we have lots of nice new green growth here. Some of these need to get a little bit longer, but we do have some whitefly infestation. That's from earlier when the soils were less balanced. Last night everything got a foliar feed light one drench, and most importantly the trifecta of inoculants: BioCoat Gold, Spectrum PSB, and Pepsine. So I'm looking to propagate these in the next week or 2 or 3, and we'll get going and get our fig orchard started. So 3 of my favorite inoculants that make a tremendous difference in plant growth, soil health, how fast you can build soil, how much you can accelerate photosynthesis, plant growth, yield, health, on down the list. These 3 are my primary standbys. Actually, Spectrum DS is also very good. BioCoat Gold is fantastic. Mycorrhizal fungi. Awesome blend of fungi in here. It's amazing. In about 2 weeks after you hit a crop with this, you can see everything just turn as a green-blue healthy hue. Spectrum is great soil biology, very important, and the PZ1000 is sort of a, it's an interesting blend, but used as a foliar feed, excellent for boosting potassium levels and enhancing plant growth. These will all go on as foliar feed / drenches in conjunction with a rainstorm, because they're supposed to, well, these 2 on the left are supposed to be incorporated into the soil or into the seed at planting, and I didn't have the funding to get these till now. So I have more I'm going to get. There's Myco 5000 and a few others that are also awesome supplements. I'm rebuilding my reservoir of tools for organic and regenerative agriculture. All right, just thought I'd share a little bit. And the rain is literally driving this inoculant in through the soil. We'll see what these jalapeno peppers look like in a couple weeks. I'll bet these change a bit with the inoculants.
It's coming down hard out there. And I'm hearing a couple of hard hits and spatters here and there, which I believe are hail. I'll put some screenshots up here to show the hail on the radar maps, on lightning maps. We're just outside edge of this storm. North and west of us is getting absolutely hammered.